All right, welcome to this explainer. Today we are uncovering a literal silent income killer for gig workers. If you're an independent professional, there is a massive chance you're unknowingly losing your hard-earned cash to the freelancer tax trap. So let's break down exactly how to fix your setup and, actually keep more of what you earn. Seriously, stop scrolling for just a second. If you earn any of your income online, there's a huge probability you're currently overpaying your taxes. So many independent workers just assume they're doing everything completely by the book, but the reality behind the scenes, it's costing them an absolute fortune. Look, you hustle hard for the money you make on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Payoneer, or PayPal, right? But the second you funnel that gross income into your local bank account and start dealing with tax season, simple, and I mean completely avoidable mistakes cause those funds to just shrink dramatically. Let's dive into exactly how these mechanics work so you can stop the bleeding. So let's look at Pakistan freelancers and what we call the freelancer trap. I gotta ask you directly, are you actually registered with the Federal Board of Revenue, the FBR, as a filer? Because if you're not, non-filer withholding taxes are actively tearing a massive hole right in your bank account. The system is literally designed to take a much heavier cut from your incoming funds if you haven't taken the official step to register your status. It's just a silent drain on all your hard work. And here is the crazy part. Did you know that in Pakistan, freelancer income under 800,000 PKR can actually be completely tax-free? Yeah, if you aren't properly filed and optimized, you're paying heavy taxes on income that you are legally allowed to keep 100% of. It's a huge oversight that costs independent workers dearly every single year. All right, shifting gears to our U.S. contractors and those brutal IRS penalties. Are you making absolutely sure that you're claiming every single dollar for your home office, your internet, and your software expenses? These are not just casual purchases. They are the essential operational costs of running your business. By failing to meticulously track these specific deductions, you're artificially inflating your taxable income and ending up handing over money you simply don't owe. Also, and this is a big one, are you making those quarterly tax payments? The IRS absolutely expects its cut throughout the year, not just in April. If you ignore this schedule, you aren't just paying your normal taxes. You get hit with brutal penalties right on top of them. It turns a standard tax bill into a total financial nightmare. So look, if you answered no to even one of these rapid-fire questions across either region, you are literally leaving money on the table. Whether it's missed deductions for software, failing to pay quarterlies, or just ignoring your FBR filer status, these aren't just little paperwork errors. They are direct hits to your personal wealth. Which brings us to claiming your free checklist. It is time to stop overpaying and start optimizing. Here is exactly how we fix this right now. Drop a comment with the word tax right below this explainer, and I will instantly DM you my completely free optimization checklist so you can finally protect what you actually earn. But before you go, just ask yourself this one thing. If you don't take 10 minutes today to optimize your business, how many thousands of dollars are you actually willing to just volunteer to the government over the next decade?